guys, ayan, nakaland na tayo. Nandito na tayo sa Cancun International Airport. Lalabas lang natin. It was a 4-hour, 15 minutes flight mula sa Philadelphia International Airport. So, it was a very, smooth flight. So, we'll see. Papunta na tayo ngayon sa immigration. I'll see you later. So, kapag dito sa Mexico, mabilis lang pag US passport ka. 5 minutes. On the left, customs. So, malit lang tong airport nila. Ayan, nakikita ko na. Paborito na asawa ko, mga alak. Where? Look at this Havaianas. Diba we have this in the Philippines? Havaianas. So, punta muna kami kunin yung luggage namin. See you later, guys. So, after we took our luggage now, because it's an inclusive vacation, we are going now into our shuttle service. So, there's going to be a shuttle service to take us to our resort. So hot in here. I don't know what's the temperature. Kaya ko anong temperatura dito. Pero pagdating natin sa resort, papakita ko ulit sa inyo. I'll be back. So, tayo nakasakay na dito sa van, shuttle van na magdadala sa atin sa ano na pangalan ng resort natin, be?
Sa Secret Riviera.
Secret Riviera Resort. So, yun. How many minutes from here?
30 minutes.
30 minutes from here. But it's okay. Para makita natin. And it's for the first time nakakita ako ng airport na napaligiran both side. Pala, hindi napaligiran. Both side ng mga forest. Ang dami-daming kahoy dito sa Cancun International Airport. So, it's nice. At paglapag namin dito sa paglabas namin ng airport, yung mainit. Pero mahangin. Mahangin na mainit. So, para yung weather parang Pilipinas style. Okay, so I'll be back, guys. Look at that forest. Dami-daming kahoy. Ang maganda dito. Kapag ikay pababa ng aeroplano, kitang-kita mo, very dense. Dami-daming mga kakahuyan. Yun ang maganda. So, 4 lang kami dito sa shuttle. Ayan. Punta tayo Cancun, Tulum. O, di ba parang wala, parang nasa Pilipinas lang. O, yun na yung dinaanan natin, be, o. Pataas. May tulay. Dito may tulay na para sa aeroplano. Okay, nandito na po tayo sa ating resort, ang Secrets Riviera, Cancun, Mexico. But look at that, look at the green, very, very greenery, no? Dami-daming green. Parang, pero sa atin, wala tayong ganyan. Ayan, nandito na po tayo. Ayun na yung dagat. Doon na yung dagat. I'm gonna show you later on, guys. So, this is going to be our place for the next 4 days. Smells good. Oh, smell good.
Gina is going to assist you to move your chicken.
Thank you.
Please have a seat.
Thank you. All right.
My name is Gina. We'll assist you with the check-in.
See you later.
And I'm going to need your passport.
Okay, so they welcome us with sparkling wine. I don't have to show your face if you don't want. I have like 15K subscribers on YouTube.
Don't worry.
So you're okay? Thank you, gracias.
Perfect. My name is Iyer. If you need something, you can find me in the bar.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. They're giving us a complimentary welcome sparkling white wine.
Very good. So I'm going to need your help with some information for the registration. I'm going to need an email address,
It's
telephone number,
semi-dry,
zip code, city,
so
state,
hindi siya
and
matamis.
country. Your signatures, Mr. Bahar, here, here, and here. Mrs. Bahar's signature here next to her name. Both
But
signatures
we don't
on the
drink
back. These are
this,
the
we just
hotel
have to taste it
policies,
because we're gonna
and
eat.
It's important to mention that we have
And
a
I don't drink
regulation
alcohol po.
in Mexico
Pakonti-konti lang.
regarding smoking.
Kunwari lang.
Do you smoke cigars or cigarettes?
Cigarettes.
Cigarettes? Okay. We have 3 designated areas towards the resort to smoke. Any areas outside that place is not allowed to smoke. Thank you so much. On the back, we have the drug use policy, which is illegal in Mexico and COVID-19 protocol.
And you have to sign up some stuff.
Information in yellow. And then Mrs. Harden, please. Thank you so much.
Okay, see you. Can you write it? Can you write it?
Sandali, my husband can't see. Dahil hindi pa ready ang room, dito muna tayo sa appetizer. What's this?
Yan ang sinasabi ko. Yan ang on. Kainin mo na lahat ng gusto mo. Ano pa lang yan. Naghihintay ka pala ng room mo.
Chicken. It looks dry. What's that?
Naghihintay ka pala.
Ham and cheese
Puppy paste.
pastry. Coriander. Hummus. Coriander hummus. Oh, I like that. Itong mga appetizer daw nila. Na nandito sa bar nila. So, i-try natin ang kanilang appetizer. Yan. Coriander hummus. Sarap. Together with the cheese. Saan ang restaurant? Pwede na tayong pumunta sa restaurant. While waiting.
Somebody goes wrong.
Tikman natin tong ham and cheese sandwich nila. Mini sandwiches nila. Parang yung ginawa ko lang ng tinapay. Tara. Eh, kuha mo ako lang isang stick ng chicken ramen kasi mukhang dry eh. Para lang tikman ko. Hindi para lang tikman ko.
Ano ba?
Yung chicken, tikman ko lang. Ang sarap ng ano nila, ham and cheese nila. Grabe. I'm gonna do this. Matamis yung tinapay niya.
Para yung chicken, kung nagka-restaurant.
Ito? Hindi, baka matagal pa. Titikman ko lang labi. Just one. We're going to try their chicken. Kasi pag titignan mo, masyadong mukha siyang dry. Ayan.
So, babalik tayo dito pagka to find out if the room is ready.
Ask them what time it's gonna be ready. Hindi pala siya dry. Masarap yung coriander hummus. See, when I go to a place, I'll try all the food. I'm talking to my... Para alam kong gayahin, kung masarap. So, yan ang mga rooms. Yan, mga rooms na yan. Tapos, ayun na yung dagat. Now, we're going to the restaurant. Dahil kararating lang natin. I'm so starving. So, we're gonna try their food. So far, yung mga appetizers nila are really good. This is an international cuisine. It's open. So, ayan oh, ang dagat oh. Ganda, ganda. Ganda, may mga pool and everything. Yan. Oh, look guys, ang kanilang mga bulaklak. And then, ngayon lang ako nakapunta sa isang restaurant. Isang resort na may paglalagyan ng bags. Mag-order tayo ng mga bagay na hindi pa natin alam. So, do me a favor. Kapag kayo pumunta sa isang lugar, ang orderin ninyo ay yung mga bagay na hindi nyo kinakain sa bahay. O yung mga mahirap lutuin. Yung mga ganon, wag yung orderin yung dati yung lagi nyong kinakain. Be adventurous as to food. Para matikman nyo ang mga iba na mga bagay. Sabi, I have like people from California watching, UK watching. I have from everywhere. Akala na kasawa ko is Pilipinas ang nanonood sa akin. Hindi. Diba? For example, taga UK ka. O kung fish and chips ang lagi mong kinakain, pag pumunta ka naman sa ibang bansa o ibang lugar, i-try mo naman yung iba. Hindi lang fish and chips. Baka pwede rin siguro broiled fish. Yeah, it's nice. It's nice. I like it. I like this place. Alright, so nag-order ako ng tatlong recipe. Like I said, na hindi ko kinakain. So we're going to try those. Okay, guys? So this is already our second drink. Anong tawag nito, be? Mango tango. Mango tango? May mango sa ibabaw, tsaka ano kaya yan? Ano yung tinanggo niya? This is our second drink of the day. Pero yung asawa ko, 3 levels of alcohol. Ang sa akin, konting-konti lang, drop. Ito ang ating ceviche na in order. Siniloan style green chili. So, it has like shrimp, avocado. Ano na tawag dito, Beb? Yeah. Oh, let's try. Para siyang kilawin na shrimp. Kaya lang, niluto nila. So, meron siyang asim. And then, may cucumber, sibuyas. And then, may green chili siya. Yung green na sili. Na hindi pa siya maanghang. So, parang pulutan style. Meron siyang ano. Ano yung isa? Yung hindi lemon? Lime. Good. So, this is my second order. This is fish taco. Ngayon naman yung taco niya is soft. Hindi kanina. Yung kanina crispy. Tapos lalagyan natin ng ayan. Let's try this fish taco. You know what the difference is? The fish is fresh. Very good. Lasa mo yung flavor ng isda, pero hindi malansa. Very good, very good. It's so good. Kasi, for example, sa Mexico ka pupunta, ang orderin mo yung mga specialty ng mga Mexicans, kanon. Hindi yung pupunta ka sa Mexico, tapos ang orderin mo, burger, specialty na order. What's new? Natakpan muna yung magbibideo. Ito ang aming kwarto. So, this is our... nag-separate ang toilet bowl tsaka ano. Sa shower room. Oh, wow. I like the shower room. Oh, look at that. Look at this. This is what I want, Albert. Oh, yan oh, bato-bato. Ito yung sinasabi ko na this is how I like it. Oh, see? Stones. See, Bebo? Tiles. Wow, ang ganda ng room. Ganda ng room. Magpapaspa ako. Wow, ang luwag ng bed. King size. And then, guys, merong sariling, yun ay kung alam kong buksan. Paano bare? Ayun. Aha. Meron kaming sariling pool. Ayan. Our own pool in front of us. Tapos nandun na yung dagat, oh. Nandun yung dagat. Nice. Yes. Tamang-tama para sa aking height. 4 feet lang. Tubig. I'm gonna enjoy here. I'm gonna enjoy. 4 feet lang yung tubig. Yes. Maganda dito. Kasi, ayan yung room. Tapos, ito yung ano. Ito yung pool. Ang maganda dito sa hotel na secret ng Hyatt is that ano, pang adults lang, so walang mga bata, so walang magulo. Ang ganda siya, oh. Yeah, so each room dito sa ground floor is dito sa ground floor is may pool, may sarili siyang pool. Pero sa mga second floor, third floor niya, since wala silang immediate access sa pool, pupunta pa sila doon sa general pool doon, is meron silang jacuzzi. How much? For 4 nights is with the flight, all food, hotel room, lahat ng alak, yung mga ano, mahilig uminom ng alak. Sa alak pa lang bawing-bawi ka na. So, any food and drinks are inclusive. So you can go to any restaurants. So good. I'll see you later, guys. Gusto ko magpagawa ng maliit na ganito na pool. Doon sa bahay ko sa Pilipinas, sa may likod ng kwarto ko. Just a small like this lang eh. It will be nice.
Corner pa nga eh.
Ha?
Corner nga ibinigay sa akin.
Maganda yung corner. Wala tayong kapitbahay na isa lang yun.
Natin yung gilid.
Ha?
Solo natin yung gilid.
Wala
tayong kapitbahay.